Why learn English is important. Have you ever felt this? That invisible wall. That moment where you know the answer, the opportunity, the connection is right there, but you can't reach it. You feel stuck, limited, maybe even a little left behind. For billions of people, that wall has a name: the language barrier. And in the 21st century, the master key to breaking through that wall isn't a fancy app or a secret code. It's a language. And you already know which one. But this isn't just another video telling you English is important. We all know that. Today we're going deep. We're going to explore the real, life-changing reasons why learning English is the closest thing to a real-world superpower you can get. It's not just about grammar. It's about freedom. Reason 1, the language of opportunity, career, and economics. Let's start with the most practical reason: your wallet. English is the undisputed language of global business. Over 1.5 billion people speak English. That's 20% of the entire planet. Whether it's a tech startup in Berlin negotiating with a manufacturer in Shenzhen, a French engineer collaborating with a team in Argentina, or a Nigerian entrepreneur seeking investment from Silicon Valley, they are all doing it in English. Knowing English doesn't just make you a candidate for a job, it makes you a candidate for the world. Studies consistently show that bilingual employees can earn between 10 to 20% more than their monolingual counterparts. It opens doors to multinational companies, remote work for international clients, promotions, and transfers abroad. It's not just about getting a job. It's about building a career without borders. English is the operating system of the global economy. If you want to play the game, you need to understand the rules and the language in which it's played. Reason 2, the key to knowledge and education. Imagine the world's largest library. Now imagine that 55% of all content on the internet is written in that library's language. That's not a library. That's the internet. And that language is English. From the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and medicine published in academic journals to the most in-depth tutorials on coding, design, or philosophy on YouTube, the vast majority of human knowledge is stored and shared in English. The world's top universities, including Ivy League, offer thousands of free courses online, MOOCs, and almost all of them are in English. By learning English, you are not just learning a language, you are giving yourself a permanent all-access pass to the sum of human knowledge. You stop relying on translated content, which is often limited, slow, or inaccurate. You can learn from the source. You can form your own opinions by reading international news sources, understanding different perspectives, and becoming a truly informed global citizen. It makes you a smarter, more critical thinker. Reason 3, the gateway to culture and connection. Okay, let's talk about the fun stuff. English is the key that unlocks a world of entertainment and authentic connection. Think about the biggest blockbuster movies, the most addictive TV series on Netflix, the most popular video games. They're all produced in English. Sure, you can watch them dubbed or with subtitles, but you always miss something. The nuance of the actor's voice, the timing of a joke, the subtle wordplay. And it's not just consuming culture, it's participating in it. The global conversation on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Instagram happens predominantly in English. You can understand the memes, debate fan theories, and connect with people from every corner of the world who share your niche hobby. When you travel, English is your universal tool for connection. It's the common ground between a German tourist and an Indonesian local. It's how you hear someone's life story in a hostel common room, make a friend for life, and understand a culture on a deeper level. It transforms a tourist trip into a journey of genuine human connection. Reason 4, it rewires your brain. The cognitive bonus. This reason is all about what happens inside your head. Learning any new language is like a full body workout for your brain, and English is no exception. Scientific studies have shown that being bilingual literally changes the structure of your brain. It strengthens your executive function. That's your ability to plan, focus, and switch between tasks efficiently. It improves your memory. It even enhances your ability to understand your native language better. So by learning English, you're not just acquiring a skill. You're upgrading your mental hardware. You're building a more agile, resilient, and powerful mind. That's a benefit that pays dividends in every single area of your life, forever. Addressing the elephant in the room. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but English is so hard, or isn't it a bit imperialistic to promote English over other languages? These are fair points. Let's be clear. Learning English is not about replacing your native language or culture. It's about adding to it. It's about building a bridge, not tearing down a wall. Your first language is your identity, your roots, your heart. English can be your wings. It allows you to take your unique perspective, your culture, and your story and share them with a global audience. It's a tool for empowerment, not erasure. How to start? And it's easier than you think. Okay, you're saying, I'm convinced, but where do I even start? The best part is, it's never been easier or cheaper. Make it fun. If you love football, watch Premier League interviews. If you love makeup, watch tutorials from native speakers. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small wins. Learned a new word today? That's a victory. Your invitation to a bigger world. So, why learn English? It's not about passing a test. It's about building a better career. It's about feeding your curiosity with the world's knowledge. It's about understanding the jokes in your favorite show and singing along to every word of your favorite song. It's about making friends in every time zone. It's about never feeling stuck again. It's an invitation to a bigger, more connected, and more exciting world. And that invitation is open to you. All you have to do is decide to accept it. What are you waiting for? What's your biggest motivation for learning English? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on languages and becoming a global citizen. Check out these videos next on how to improve your English pronunciation and the best free resources online. Thanks for watching. Remember, your future is waiting. Go and get it.